Hey guys, it's Darlene and welcome to my channel. Alright, so today's video is what's new this week, so without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Alright, first and foremost, if you're already subscribed to my channel, I just want to say thank you so very much. If you are not yet subscribed, be sure to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell, and that way you won't miss out on any videos. Alright, so this is a busy week, y'all. Been filming like crazy. So this week we are doing multiple videos because obviously Black Friday is coming up. Alright, so on Tuesday, we are going to do the 30-day Foreo follow-up. So super excited. That is the Bear, their microcurrent device. So we're going to do that 30-day. It's actually been a little over 30 days. So we're going to do the follow-up to that. On Wednesday, I'm going to do a gift guide, my favorite beauty tools. And let me tell you something, there is a new beauty tool that I have yet to share with you. Very excited. I've been using it for about 6 weeks now and never tried anything like it, never seen anything like it. I'm very, very excited about that. So that's going to be on Wednesday. And then on Friday, we are doing, I don't know why I say we. On Friday, I am doing my favorite skincare products because there are so many Black Friday deals out there. So I'm going to do my favorite skincare products that you can give as gift, products that you can stock up on, because there are some major sales going on. So that's what's going on this week. So let's jump in now to what's come in. I did have a few beauty products that have come in. The thing that I want to mention, because Black Friday is coming up, is City Beauty is having a huge sale. I'm going to mention this multiple times this week. 50% off everything site-wide from November 26th to November 30th, through November 30th. Huge. My link will be in the description box and as well as the code, but again, it will not work until the 26th. I will mention this multiple times this week because 50% off, huge. So I just wanted to mention that. I just found that out, super excited. All right, you guys know how I love Juno. Juno has the moisturizer, the Moonshine moisturizer that I really love. It has that pore minimizing ingredients in that, and I love that moisturizer. They also have the cleansing balm, Clean 10, only 10 products, amazing, best face wash balm. What I've tried, probably 100 in the last 3 years. I'm serious. And I have yet to say, this is the one. This is the one. This is the one. This is how I picked up 2 for Christmas presents for my daughters. Amazing. There's 10 ingredients. It's considered a natural product. There is no fragrance in it, but the smell, whatever they're using, it smells fresh and clean and just, oh, so good. You take a tiny little bit, rub it between your fingers and all over your eyes, all over your lips. It's not going to burn your eyes. Your skin will feel so incredibly clean. So got that for my daughter. And Juno also has makeup as well. So I picked up this cute little quad eyeshadow palette, absolutely perfect for fall. Look at these colors, gorgeous, right up my aisle. We've gotten a couple mattes and a shimmer and then sort of a glitter, but it's a very mild glitter. This one is Siren. This is the name. It's what I have on my eyes today. So let me zoom you in a little. Let me close my eyes. This is what I have on. The colors are gorgeous. In my eyes, I use this color here for the transition. Beautiful. No kickback. Look, no kick up, nothing. Nicely pigmented. So I use this for the transition. And then what I did was go in with this beautiful color right here. And then I just packed it on the outer lid. Right? And I put it also underneath here. And then I went in with my finger to this glittery, beautiful color right here. This glitter, I'm going to show you. Let me just show you on the back of my hand. Look, It's nothing that's too dramatic. It's like a shimmer. I'm not even sure I would say it's a glitter. And then what I did was just go in and pop right there, right in the middle and into the corner. Then I took a smaller little brush and went into this. It's sort of a little bit of a shimmer, just really minor, and then hit, see that? Look at that, right there, corner eyes. It's such a cute little palette. These colors are perfect for fall. All of your browns, all of your neutrals, absolutely perfect what you have. You have a transition color, you have a deeper color, you have a shimmer, and then this is even a lighter shimmer, so this is a little bit darker, so you actually have two shimmers. Perfect, absolutely perfect. I picked up a couple highlighters, you can see. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and let me see real quick. I'm gonna just swatch real quick. I'm not a big like, oh, let's swatch. So you can see, look at the bling on that. So that's the more pinky one, and then that's the other one. Okay, so what I do, here's my trick. Okay, I'm older, right? More mature. I do not want to get highlighter up here. Okay, so I use a little setting spray. This is the Urban Decay All Nighter. I give a little spray, okay? And while my skin is still a little damp, I will take a little brush here. I'm gonna go in with this little rose one here and put a little on the brush. I tap a little bit off here, and then I'm just gonna go in right here. And look at that. See the difference? I'm gonna use the other side of the brush, and we'll try this one on the other side. What the heck? Ooh, so pretty. Now, here's my other second trick. Trick one, setting spray. Trick two, take a little Toddy Blendiful or any little sponge that you use. I use the It by Pores illuminating powder. Take a little bit of the pressed powder, just a tiny bit, and then just gently go over. Take the Baby Blendiful. There we go. Oh yeah, little goes a long way. There we go. Bling, you're gonna get bling. If you want just a little bit, light hand, but it looks beautiful. So, love these. So really excited about the Juno. All right, let's talk about home and a few things in fashion. That's it. Because all the fashion that's coming in is going into lookbooks. So home-wise, I picked up some curtains for Christmas, believe it or not, because they are by my Christmas tree. So they're white and they have little white pom-poms on it. And so I took some pictures and I will show you that right here. I picked up some Flickering Candles. I will be doing a home tour just like I did with fall once I get everything done, and hopefully it'll be done this week. So you can see the home tour next week. That's my goal. We'll see how that goes. Flickering Candles, so cute. These candles look like they're, so I have them under the tree because I have like wooden boxes under there, and I have like this old-fashioned giant jingle bell. I ordered 2 more because last year they're metal. Last year they only had one left. So this year I ordered 2 more. So they go under my tree, and then I ordered some more wooden boxes, but they're gonna go under my tree, and what's great is they're fake, so they're not gonna cause any problems. I redid my laundry room. The last thing finally came in, which was the laundry room mat. Perfect fit. If you have a washer and dryer my size, which is probably pretty standard, this laundry mat fits end to end, perfect, super cute, really plush on your feet. So when you're standing there doing laundry, it's nice and soft. Picture right here, super cute. Fashion. There's only a few things that came in for fashion. Shapewear. My favorite shapewear, believe it or not, is by Bally. But so I picked up a nude pair in Bally, and then I'm trying some other shapewear. So I might do, I'm going to be doing a holiday lookbook for fashion. So probably in that I'm going to talk about shapewear, okay? Because I want to try the Skims. You know, I hate paying for someone's name, but I want to try them and see how they compare. And then of course Spanx. I have Spanx, but I want to see which ones are my favorite. But right now, I love the black, the ones that I have in black by Bali. Those are my favorite. My slippers did come in. Am I wearing? Yes, I'm wearing them. I'm like, I don't even know what's on my feet. Oh my gosh, you guys. I talked about this in the cozy gift guide. These are the pink ones. They are so soft. Look, these ones are clean. Sort of. Much cleaner than the ones I showed you. I was a little embarrassed about that. But they have the pink fur and then the pink cable knit. Oh my gosh, they're just, these are by far my favorite. And like I said, I asked for a black pair for Christmas. I wear slippers all the time. I don't like being barefoot. I have hardwood floors, so I just don't like being barefoot. The other thing that's going on this week is, because it is Black Friday, I will probably do a video on what I would suggest as I see the sales come up. Okay, so sales will come up. I might post that like on Saturday or Sunday. You might get an extra video, or Sunday's video might be about Black Friday if the deals are still going on. I don't know, you know, I'm kind of iffy about that. So that's what's coming up this week and what came in this week. I got a bunch of other Christmas stuff that came in as well, decorations and stuff, but I will show you that when I do my home tour. All right, guys, well, that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and I will see you this week. Bye, guys. Thanks so much for watching.